Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day I was chatting online to a Ukrainian friend of mine who's originally from Kiev. But after February the 24th last year, when the full-scale Russian invasion began, she took her daughter and they fled initially to Poland. However, recently they've moved to Vancouver in Canada. And I was asking how everything was going over there, how her daughter was finding it, how she was finding it. And she told me that she's still getting used to things, her daughter's doing okay, but it's still a bit strange, a little bit difficult. And basically, she's still finding her feet. If people talk about finding their feet, it basically means becoming confident and learning how to deal with situations. I think it originally comes from the idea of finding your sea legs. So when you're on a boat and the boat is rocking up and down like this, and you have to kind of learn how to stand properly, you have to kind of get used to this new situation, you have to find your feet. It's generally used in English to talk about dealing with new places that you've moved to, or new companies or jobs that you've started working for or working in. And it's often used to mean things still aren't quite right yet. So you often hear people say things like, well, don't worry, it's going to be difficult the first few months. It always takes people time to find their feet. Or you might say something like, I only recently moved here. I only recently started working for the company, so I'm still finding my feet. And you might ask someone, oh, so did it take you long to find your feet when you started your new job? Did it take you long to find your feet when you first moved here? If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use find your feet.